Going to great lengths to keep our students and staff safe this school year, Broken Arrow Public Schools is a proud implementer of the Torsano cleaning system. For those parents choosing to send their students to in-class learning, Torsano gives ultimate peace of mind by being an effective leader in the killing of the coronavirus on all surface types. Using a unique stabilized aqueous ozone compound, or SAO, it is 1.5 times more powerful than traditional chlorine bleach, while using no harmful chemicals, making it safe for students and staff, especially those afflicted with respiratory problems and other allergies or sensitivities. Torsano cleans, kills germs, and removes odors, and it boasts a lasting coverage of 24 hours. Torsano uses technology instead of chemicals. Traditional cleaning agents poison germs, but germs begin to develop a resistance. The Aqueous Zone breaks down molecular bonding, and once the virus shell is broken, germs cannot survive and cannot develop a resistance. But best of all, SAO, when used as directed, kills 99.99% of the coronavirus. And Broken Arrow Public Schools is the only school district in Oklahoma that uses this amazing germ-fighting technology. This green cleaning is effective on carpet, stone, ceramic, hardwood, vinyl, sinks, faucets, seating, tables, glass, mirrors, and more, and exceeds Green Seal standards as a safe industrial cleaner. And who else uses this remarkable cleaning product? Some of the biggest names in the business world, including Domino's, Bank of America, Shell, Campbell's, HSBC, Google, Microsoft, Pepsi, and even academic institutions like Stanford, the University of Michigan, and Wisconsin University. With training ramped up for our building and site custodial professionals, Broken Arrow Schools is confident our students and staff are returning to a safe and healthy atmosphere unlike any other educational institution in the state.